Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Mount Albert, Ontario, a charming community in the town of East Gwillimbury. This area has been home to settlers since the early 1800s who built farms and small businesses in the rolling countryside. Over the years, the town has grown while still keeping a small town feel, surrounded by farmland and natural beauty. Local parks and trails make it easy to enjoy the outdoors all year round. Agriculture still plays a role in the area, with farms producing a variety of crops and goods. Residents enjoy a quiet pace of life while being close to larger cities for work or leisure. Whether you're here to explore the countryside, learn about its history, or enjoy a peaceful day outside, Mount Albert offers a scenic escape. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Mount Albert, Ontario. Thanks for watching!